Hi, I'm David Smoak, Town Administrator for the Town of Farragut, and I'm standing in front of the annex building that's right behind the Farragut Community Center. Due to renovations that are going to be occurring soon at the Farragut Town Hall, we're going to be moving into the annex building that you see behind me. At the Farragut Town Hall, we've been there for 34 years, and when you've been in a building that long, you realize that there's a lot of inefficiencies as we've added staff and added departments over time. We really wanted to make a big change to the upstairs in order to have one central point of contact for the public as they come into Town Hall. We also wanted to make sure that the clerk's office, which gets a lot of traffic, had a new location downstairs to be more amenable to the public. The anticipated start date of the project is middle of January, and it'll take approximately 365 days for that project to get finished. We hope to be in there sooner if we can, but we know it's going to be a great project and a great product for the public when we get done. So in the annex building behind me, you'll have our community development and engineering departments. If you need a building permit, you need an inspection done, this will be the building you want to come to for that. Inside the community center at the main information desk will be any other information you may need for human resources, communications, administration, finance. They can help you with any kind of questions that you have there. And finally, I know a lot of folks like to come to the Knox County Clerk's office. They have been relocated for the time being to the Cedar Bluff location, which is the closest one to Farragut at the corner of Cedar Bluff and Middlebrook Pike. They can handle your passport needs, your marriage license, driver's license, and registration. So I would encourage you to contact the clerk's office, but the closest location is up there at Cedar Bluff.